Hello and welcome. Stay tuned as we bring you a concise, power-packed summary of the Oromo Liberation Army's official press release on Operation Thousand Fronts. In this short video, you'll discover how OLF's 10-day offensive reshaped the battlefield. Let's dive in. Over a 10-day period from April 15th to April 25th, 2025, timed to coincide with the annual Martyrs' Day commemoration, the Oromo Liberation Army, OLFOLA, conducted Operation Thousand Fronts, simultaneously engaging regime forces across more than 50 districts in 8 operational commands. The operation resulted in significant enemy casualties, the capture of weapons caches, and the liberation of over 200 civilians from detention, all underscoring the OLA's operational reach and tactical coordination. Strategic intent. Operation Thousand Fronts was conceived to apply coordinated pressure on the regime's military infrastructure. By striking 8 operational commands in unison, OLFOLA aimed to disrupt enemy reinforcements, sever supply lines, and maximize the impact of each engagement. Overall results. Over the course of 10 days, OLFOLA achieved the following results: 741 enemy combatants killed in action, 949 wounded in action, degrading regime morale and capacity, 56 taken prisoner, providing actionable intelligence, hundreds of AKM rifles, PKM machine guns, sniper rifles, and SKS carbines secured, 231 civilians liberated from detention facilities. In conclusion and forward outlook, Operation Thousand Fronts stands as the most extensive coordinated offensive in OLFOLA's history. The success of this operation reaffirms the Army's capacity for synchronized, high-intensity engagements, and its unwavering commitment to liberating the Oromo people. As chains are broken and communities are freed, the OLA renews its pledge to continue the fight until full self-determination is achieved. Thank you for tuning in to this power-packed summary of the Oromo Liberation Army's Operation Thousand Fronts press release. Stay informed, stay engaged, and join us again as we continue to follow this unfolding story. Until victory is secured, we stand together, remembering the martyrs, honoring the living, and forging the path to freedom. Solidarity with the Oromo Nation and Oromia.